Hey guys, Nushell Profit is here. So today I would like to show you my new module, dotnu. Dotnu is a module that help module developers to do different type of tasks, and I'm here with quick demo. This module, as for now, has 8 commands, and through some of them we are going to go in this demo. The first one would be dotnu dependencies. Let's examine the simple module. It has 4 files inside of it, and if we check those files, their content is quite simple. So we can use the command dotnu dependencies with globe expansion and see the result, the output of the command dotnu dependencies. So here we can see which commands depend on which commands. So test high command from the module test high depends on the command high from the mod.nu accordingly. Next, we can use the command dotnu filter commands with no tests, and then we can see which commands are not dependencies for the commands with the name that includes test string in it. So here we can see that hello question and say commands that doesn't have test coverage yet. dotnu parse docstrings. First, let's see the example module file and its structure. So we have the documentation string before that. I don't know how to call it in the terminology of Nushell, but as for now, it is like that. Docstring, I named it that after the Python. So we can apply the command dotnu parse docstrings to this file, and we can see that the first line or the first lines, if there are many of them, they will be put into the field of command description, and examples will be parsed as a table with columns annotation, command, result. So annotation is the string that comes before the string that starts with the greater than symbol, and command is consecutive lines that start with greater than symbol or with the pipe symbol. And the result is what goes next. And those blocks, they are divided by the empty line. Okay. dotnu update docstring examples. This command relies on the command parse docstrings. First, let's alter our module and type here, for example, the name of Stefan. So now we can see that in example of the docstring command, we have this argument. We have used this argument. Next, we use dotnu update docstring examples command, and now when we check our file again, we can see that result here is updated automatically. That's it. Next one, dotnu generate npm tests. And because we already have parsed our commands, we can generate tests just from them, just from the examples there. So as for now, we will use dotnu module itself, and we can see that there are 21 rows in the output table here. And we can apply dotnu filter commands with no tests. And we can see that commands dependencies, update docstring examples, setx, extract command name, and generate numd, those commands, they are not used in any tests. But at the same time, we can see that, for example, the command setx that we will see in action later, it has example in it, and it has a result. And we can see that this command will be parsed with the command dotnu parse docstrings. So let's use dotnu generate npm tests command, and now we can check in lazy git that there are 2 new files were created. The first one is dotnu examples test mod with the examples. So this example was put in the body of the command setx0 test. 0 is the number of the example. And also we can see that this new file was put inside of tests mod.nu. Now we can just run npm test, and we can see that our tests goes well without the check of the results, yet still it works. And now if we apply the command dotnu filter commands with no tests, we can see that previously we had like 5 commands here, and now we can see that there are 3 commands that do not have test coverage yet. Cool, go. Setx, a simple command. Let's say we have this kind of simple script with just 5 lines with 3 commands inside of them. And if we use dotnu setx to this file, it will produce the new file, setx demo setx new. Also, it will put, using command line edit, string here with the path source and path to this file, newly created file, which we will be able to just execute, and it will output the results immediately. It will output the executed commands from the initial scripts together with timings that they had. And we can check a produced file. So yeah, thanks for watching. This was dotnu.